unboxing my new helmet. Really excited for it, and I'm really hoping it fits because I ordered it online, so we'll see. Fully carbon fiber, which is super light, I can tell already just by the weight of the box. Here we go. Oh yes. Check that out. Wow. It's quite nice. Very, very light. Actually goes on pretty easily, which I'm happy about. Certainly a lot more comfortable than my last helmet. It's very snug around the my forehead. I think that'll maybe go away in time. There's a lot more space in the front up here than I would expect. Oh yeah, this is good. Good decision. This is really awesome, actually. You remove this little cap here. It has the threads already built in. The Hans device will thread right into those holes right there. It comes with these little caps. That's awesome. I was like, oh no, how am I gonna fit this? And it's already pre-made, so really, really happy about that. Could just do bicep curls all day with this. It's a little snug around the crown of my head right here, but I think over time I'll either get used to it or kind of push it out a little bit with my head, or we'll figure something out, but I don't think it's warranted to go up another size. My hats are always medium/large anyway, so I don't want it too loose, and it's really easy to get on. It's way easier to get on than my last helmet, for sure. It's like 10 times easier. Very nice.